Bristol-Myers Squibb shares on the move this morning, up just about 0.1%. Now, the company is saying that it is buying Mirati Therapeutic. It's a deal valued at up to $5.8 billion. Now, Mirati develops commercial oncology therapies. Following this deal, Bristol-Myers Squibb will add several cancer medications to its portfolio. This largely being received from the street as a deal here that's going to further diversify Bristol-Myers therapy, pharmaceutical drugs offerings here, in terms of the fact that they have seen a bit of pressure on some of their older drugs, the fact that some generic options have become made available, especially one that has to do with the blood cancer drug here, this third largest revenue driver that faced some pressure here from generic rivals, most recently in the quarters, weighing on the revenue outlook at the company. So this deal potentially bringing in new drugs to the pipeline.
Yeah, exactly. I mean, we're looking at this deal, and again, just the details of it, $58 per share. $4.8 billion equity value, up to $5.8 billion, including the continued value right. And then you think about where the companies are going to continue to kind of position this going forward from here, and the portfolio that they're really bringing together, at least from the chief executive officer and board chair at Bristol-Myers Squibb. They did say in a statement that we are excited to add these assets to our portfolio and accelerate their development, seeking to deliver more treatments for cancer patients. Strong strategic fit, great science, clear value creation opportunities for shareholders. Mirati transaction aligned with some of those business development goals. And if you think back to what we've been talking about throughout this year, it's where some very strategic acquisitions could come to light or could come into fruition here as a result of either patent roll-off or needing to make sure that there is an accelerant or an accelerated effort in research and development, that R&D coming in the form of acquisitions here. So that is something to continue to keep an eye on, especially within this pharmaceutical and healthcare landscape.